All right, the next stock ticker that we're going to be taking a look at is FNMA. I'm sure that many of you guys have heard of this one. It is a very popular ticker. I've put up a video on FNMA a long time ago, and it is a one video that definitely gets a lot of interest. And hey, Joe brought it up today. Said, hey, why not? So we got the open at $3.64 today. And I'm just going to take a brief look at it, and then Joe can just add what he'd like. Once we get through this list, maybe if we got a few minutes, we'll take a look at what the top gainers from our contest are doing. So we'll look at this, investorshangout.com/live. If this is your first time watching one of our videos. So right now we're taking a look at the 10-day simple moving average, bouncing right off of it. We just talked about this in a previous stock that we took a look at. That was Boeing, but it traded much higher. You see it again here. Same thing, right? 10-day simple moving average. It gets down there and bounces right up. All right, each time. 1, 2. I think we got a third one coming in here. You got the Bollinger Band starting to shoot up and tighten together. Let me go ahead and reverse that. This one's starting to come down. So here we go. Much, much better. So looking at it now, I don't know what's going on. FNMA has been basically trading sideways for so long. I mean, this was one that was popular back when Investors Hangout first started a few years ago. And here we are. You know, this one, way back here. And it just went sideways literally for 2 years. 2 years, almost to the date. Just went sideways. And then now it's just, it's rocking and rolling. So evidently, it looks like the company is getting stuff together here. What I'd like to point out also with this chart here is that this stock, FNMA, has had a lot of volume coming in compared to 2 years ago. Again, I mean, you see those volume spikes, right? You got a little bit right here, not much. In another one here on April 2016, nothing compared to what you see right now. So, in my opinion, I think FNMA is gonna make a move up. I do. It looks like the volume's staying pretty steady. Still early in the day. Looks like volume's starting to come back compared to yesterday. It was a little bit of a drop off, but it's coming back, and I think you can see that with the price reaction. So $3.64 right now, already climbing as we're talking. I think that I don't think it's going to skyrocket today, but I think keep an eye on it the next few days. So that's all I have to add for FNMA. Joe, if you've got any comments on it.
Well, they have their they do a monthly,
Okay.
monthly summary. I'll add that into the room right now. Basically, it just shows you like where they're at and everything else, keeps you up to date, which is always great when I do it. See, with this one right here, I remember when I was trading, years ago, I wanted to start getting involved in like investing into like real estate. So I decided to go and get my my real estate license. I didn't actually get the license. I just took the class so I could learn about real estate. You know what I mean? I didn't want to sell real estate. I wanted to buy it. So I took the class, and the instructor was basically, brought up FNMA, and he was saying like where it was and everything else. I don't really think he was big into investing and things like that, but he mentioned how low it was and where, like, the potential of it, coming back and everything else. And at that time, it was like well under $1, where I should have really loaded up. I mean, I own shares in this before, like years ago, but that's that. I don't know. I think it's just something that has potential. So with the monthly summary, if you're looking at it and you're looking at their they basically just have all their the total book of business is there.
Okay.
So it's definitely something for people to look at. I mean, I don't know how great somebody is at dissecting it, but it's there.
All right. Well, I mean, like I said, Joe added that on a technical standpoint. I mean, I think it's going to start heading up. So that is for stock ticker symbol FNMA.